Hey crafters, it's Leo with Dreaming Tree. Now that we've officially partnered with Creative Fabrica, I wanted to share the top 4 things to help you get the most out of your experience, especially if you already have or are thinking about getting an all-access membership. In this video, I'll show you how to find Dreaming Tree content, how to stay updated on new releases, how to understand the product pages, and how to easily download and manage your files. Let's get started. One of the questions we've been getting a lot is how to quickly find the Dreaming Tree shop on Creative Fabrica. Well, there's a very simple way of doing that. On the home page, I'm actually just going to type in Dreaming Tree into the search. And when you do that, you can see here, these are all pretty familiar. Let's go ahead and click on one. Let's click on Frostwood Manor. And that's going to open up a new window. And on that window is the product page. And as you can see, just like usual, you have a product description, a supply list, dimensions, as well as the assembly video. So everything there is pretty familiar. And what you can do is you can click on View Profile, and that'll take you to the Dreaming Tree shop within Creative Fabrica. And right now, obviously, I'm following Dreaming Tree, but there's a little button here that you can click on that allows you to follow the designer. So let's do that. And now, once you're logged in, if you go under My Profile, you can click on My Account. And under My Account, there's an option here called Designers I Follow. Let's click on that. And you can see here that you have Dreaming Tree listed as one of the designers that you follow. And then you can click on View Shop. Okay, so once you've established that, you can go under My Account at any time and bring up the Dreaming Tree shop within Creative Fabrica. Another great question that we've received is, how will I know when Dreaming Tree releases new projects? As I mentioned during the live stream, as well as on the official FAQ page, I'm still going to be creating assembly videos and trailers for our new products. So as long as you subscribe to us on YouTube or like us on Facebook, or if you're part of the Dreaming Tree group on Facebook, you'll see new releases there. But there's another way within Creative Fabrica to get alerts when we release new projects. What you can do, as long as you follow us on Creative Fabrica, you can go under My Profile and click on My Account. And under My Account, you have an option called Notification Settings. If you scroll down a little bit under Notifications, you'll see an option for Designers You Follow. Just make sure that you have this on. You'll know that it's on when the little button is on the right. And you can see here it says, receive an email when a designer you follow releases a new product. This will ensure that you receive an email as soon as new products are released from Dreaming Tree, or anyone else that you follow for that matter. Let's take a quick look at a product page on the Creative Fabrica website for one of our items. Here is the Frostwood Manor. Now, just like on our website, you'll find the photos here on the top left. You can scroll through them pretty easily. And if you scroll down a little bit, you'll notice that there is a description. We have the dimensions, as we normally do, and a supply list, of course. And one thing I mentioned during the live stream is that we're going to continue working with 12x12 Cardstock Shop to offer the one-click cardstock kit. And you can see that there's a link right here. You click on that, that'll take you directly to the 12x12 Cardstock Shop site where you can purchase it. And just like before, you'll notice that the assembly videos are embedded. You can click to watch them there, or you can click here to watch on YouTube. The product page also has reviews, and another cool feature that they have that we didn't have is you can post a project. So if you make a version of this that you want to share with the rest of the community, you can do so by clicking Post a Project. In addition to that, of course, you get a commercial license included, and downloading is as simple as just clicking Download. There's no checkout process. Another question or concern that we've received is, well, how do I know if I've already downloaded something? Well, fortunately, with an all-access membership, it doesn't really matter if you've already downloaded something. As you can see here, it states that I've already downloaded this file, but you can download it again by just simply clicking Download. You won't be charged for re-downloading a file. There's a couple ways of seeing if you've already downloaded something with your All Access membership. One is on the product page, and you can see that here. You already downloaded this file. And you can also highlight My Profile and click on My Downloads, where it'll show you everything that you've already downloaded. There's also a search feature here that allows you to quickly sort through and find things that you've downloaded in the past.